Okay, class. So today we're going to learn about dividing fractions. To start, we're going to use a story problem that Sally has 3/4 cups of dog food. Each dog needs half a cup of food. How many dogs is she going to be able to feed? So our first step is I'm going to show you how to use the area model to solve this problem. So we're going to write our fractions. 3/4 divided by 1/2. To do the area model, we're going to draw two squares, nice and big, so our work is clear. Put a division side, middle, and then vertically we're going to label each square 3/4, and horizontally we label each square 1/2. I'm going to designate this square to represent 3/4 and this square to represent 1/2. So our first step is we're going to divide the square into 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to color in 3. So 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to divide the square in half. But this is our square that's representing 3/4, so we're going to only circle our 3/4. On this square, we're going to do something very similar. We're going to divide into 3/4. But we're not going to color in the 3/4. We're going to divide in half, and we're going to color in the half. Because that is what this square is representing. And then we're going to circle it. So our next step is we have to count how many fourths make up the half. So we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So to make 1/2, we need 4/4. So now we go to this square and we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can make one group of 4/4. So our solution is going to be over here in green, so we can make one group. And we have 2 remaining. 2 that remain. So 2 will be our numerator. And it's out of fourths, so fourths is our denominator. So she can feed one dog, and she'll have 2/4 of the bag remaining. Next, I'll show you the procedure to solve fraction with division. 3/4 divided by 1/2. Our first step is going to be to rewrite the fraction and switch it to multiplication. So we just take that division and we make it multiplication. Then the second fraction in the number sentence we make into its reciprocal, which means that we flip it so that the denominator now becomes the numerator now becomes the denominator. And we multiply across, so 6 and 4. And this is an improper fraction, so we now need to make that into our mixed number to see how many dogs she can feed. So we'll divide 6 by 4. 6 into 4 is 1. Subtract and get 2. And there's your mixed number, 1 and 2/4. And that's how you divide fractions. Thank you, class.